Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming both devices share the same Wi-Fi. This is crucial. Once done, enable the TV's built-in cast receiver or connect a Chromecast/adapter and power it. Next, on your phone, open the app you want to mirror or go to Settings, Connected Devices Cast. Make sure locations/Bluetooth permissions are allowed for discovery. You're now ready to scan for the TV. Tap the device name when it appears so the phone can negotiate a secure connection and begin the handshake. Once the TV appears, you tap it to start. You'll usually get a choice: mirror your entire screen or cast from a single app. Pick what you need. If you mirror, check your phone's orientation and set the app to landscape if watching video. Make sure phone volume and TV volume are both active. If resolution options are shown, select one that fits your Wi-Fi bandwidth to avoid lag. While casting, you can switch apps or pause playback. The stream persists until you stop it. To finish, tap Stop Cast on your phone or change the TV input. That cleanly ends the session. If you don't connect, reboot the phone, TV, and router. This resolves most handshake or IP conflicts. Also, make sure the casting app and TV firmware are up to date and try switching between two. 4 GHz and 5 GHz bands if available for stability. If audio lags, lower stream quality or use a wired adapter. One key tip: temporarily.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.